everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Simple English Space, your comfy corner to learn English through real conversations. I'm Anna, and today I'm here with Harry. How are you, Harry?
I'm doing great, Anna. I'm really excited because today we'll talk about something super useful for everyone. 10 daily habits that can help us improve our English.
Yes, learning English doesn't always need big things. Sometimes it's about small habits we do every day. And if we practice them regularly, they make a big difference.
Exactly. So let's go through these 10 habits one by one. We'll share tips, examples, and even some short conversations in English. That way, our listeners can practice while learning.
Habit number 1, start your day with English. When you wake up, instead of scrolling on social media in your own language, try listening to something simple in English. Maybe a song, a short podcast, or even reading a short sentence.
That's a good idea. I usually listen to English news for 5 minutes in the morning. It helps me set the tone for the day.
Even just saying good morning to yourself in English in front of the mirror helps. It makes you feel more confident.
Habit number 2. Use English for simple tasks. For example, when you write your to-do list, try writing it in English.
Yes, if you write buy milk, call mom, finish homework in English, you are already practicing.
Exactly. Small things count.
Habit number 3, speak out loud even when you're alone. This one is powerful.
I agree. If you're walking or cooking, you can describe what you're doing in English. Like, I am cutting vegetables. I am washing the dishes.
That's right. It may feel funny at first, but it helps your brain connect words faster.
Habit number 4. Watch something short in English every day. You don't have to watch a full movie. Even a 5-minute YouTube video works.
Yes, and make sure it's fun. If you love cooking, watch a cooking video in English. If you love football, watch sports commentary.
Habit number 5. Keep a simple English diary.
Oh yes, journaling. Just write a few sentences at the end of your day. Like, today I went to school. I met my friend. We ate noodles.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mistakes are okay. The important thing is consistency.
Habit number 6, learn one new word a day.
That's my favorite. Imagine if you learn one word every day. In 1 year, you already know 365 new words.
Right, and you can practice using that word in your diary or conversation.
Habit number 7. Listen actively. Don't just play English audio in the background. Focus for a few minutes and really try to understand.
That's an important point. Quality over quantity. Even 5 minutes of focused listening is better than 1 hour without attention.
Habit number 8. Use English when texting or chatting with friends.
That's a fun one. If you have friends who are also learning English, agree to send short English messages. Like, instead of saying, apa kabar, you say, how are you today?
Exactly.
Habit number 9, think in English.
Yes, this one is hard but very useful. For example, when you see an apple, don't think apple, just think apple.
It's like training your brain to connect directly to English without translation.
Habit number 10, be consistent, not perfect.
Oh, I love that. Sometimes people give up because they want perfect grammar. But learning a language is about progress, not perfection.
Yes, and building daily habits makes progress natural and fun.
Hey, do you ever talk to yourself in English?
Yes, I do. For example, when I'm cooking, I say, I am cutting the onions. I am frying the eggs.
That sounds funny, but useful.
It really helps. I feel more comfortable speaking.
Do you do it every day?
Almost every day. Even when I'm walking, I describe things like the sky is blue, the car is red.
I think I'll try that too. That was a nice example. It shows that simple sentences can make practice easy.
Exactly. You don't need complicated grammar, just short sentences about what you're doing.
Let's continue with our habits and tips.
Yes, another way to use habits is to combine them. For example, listen to English music while writing down one new word you hear.
That's smart. You connect two habits at the same time.
And it makes learning more fun.
Now, let's share another conversation example to help our listeners.
Do you write a diary in English? Yes, every night. I write 3 sentences about my day. Really? What did you write yesterday? I wrote, I went to the park, I met my cousin, we ate ice cream.
That's simple but nice.
Yes, I don't worry about grammar, I just write.
That sounds easy. Maybe I should try.
You should! Just a few lines can make a big difference.
That was another great example.
Yes, and it shows how short and simple practice can be.
The point is not to be perfect, but to use English every day.
I totally agree.
Now let's move on and share another helpful example.
Hey, can we chat in English today?
Sure, that sounds fun.
Okay, so how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I just finished lunch.
What did you eat?
I ate fried rice. It was delicious.
Nice! I had noodles.
Cool. Do you want to practice every day?
Yes, let's do it. Short English messages every day.
Deal. That's exactly what habit number 8 is about, using English naturally with friends.
Yes, it doesn't have to be long messages. Even short ones build confidence.
I love how these examples show real situations.
Me too. And now our listeners can try them today.
Now, Harry, let's talk about habit number 7, reading a book before bed. I love this habit. It makes me relax and sleep better. Reading also improves vocabulary. Do you like to read before sleeping?
Sometimes, if I read even 2 or 3 pages, it makes me feel calm. And of course, reading in English helps learners improve naturally.
Exactly. That's why I often tell learners, even short reading is useful. Hey, Tom, what are you reading?
I'm reading an English storybook.
Really? Do you read every day?
I try, sometimes only for 10 minutes, but it helps.
What kind of stories do you like?
Short stories with simple English.
That's good. I think reading is hard.
It was hard for me too, but I keep practicing.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, it helps me sleep faster.
Wow. Maybe I should try it.
You should. It's relaxing and useful.
Nice. That was a simple conversation showing how two friends talk about reading.
Perfect. Now, habit number 8, writing a short journal. Writing is powerful. Even writing just 2 or 3 sentences every day can build confidence.
Yes, learners can write about their day, feelings, or things they did. It doesn't have to be long.
And if you don't know a word, you can look it up. Step by step, your vocabulary grows.
Do you keep a diary?
Yes, I write a journal in English.
Every day?
Almost. Sometimes I only write 2 sentences.
What do you usually write about?
My day, what I ate, or how I feel.
Is it difficult?
At first, yes. I didn't know many words.
And now?
Now it's easier. I can write more.
That sounds good. Maybe I should try.
Yes, start small. Write 1 sentence today.
Okay, I'll do that tonight. Wonderful example. See, even writing a few words daily is progress.
Right. Now let's keep going. Habit number 9 is listening to English daily. That could be a podcast, songs, or short videos. It trains the ear.
And finally, habit number 10, speaking out loud. This is the most important. Learners need to practice saying words, phrases, and sentences daily, even if they are alone.
Yes, talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your food, or your plans. Step by step, you will feel more natural.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode. We had such a wonderful time talking about 10 simple daily habits that can really help you improve your English every single day. From reading short articles, listening to songs, watching movies with subtitles, writing a journal, to practicing with a friend or even talking to yourself. It's all about making English a natural part of your life.
Exactly, Anna. And I think one of the most important things we learned today is that you don't have to be perfect. Learning English is a journey. If you make small, consistent efforts every day, you'll see real progress. Remember, it's not about big steps once in a while, but about steady, little steps every single day.
Yes, and don't forget the examples of conversations we shared. They can be used in real life when you're meeting friends, talking to classmates, or even chatting online. Try to practice them and adapt them to your own life.
And we also want to remind you, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every time you try, you're one step closer to being fluent.
That's right. So, which of the 10 habits are you going to start with today? Reading a short article, keeping a journal, or maybe singing along to your favorite English song? Choose one and do it today.
We hope this episode motivates you to keep learning English every day. Thank you so much for joining us, and we're excited to see your progress.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are doing great. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. Bye for now.